Here I have XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera custom watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three stripes here, and go to settings, and go to the watermark. So to use custom watermark, you have to firstly enable device watermark, and after that you can use custom watermark. So here you can add your name, your surname, your nickname, any text you want, but only up to 14 symbols. So I'm just gonna enter name of my favorite YouTube channel. And now let's try this feature out. So let's take some photo for an example, and as you can see, here I have my device name and also my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.